One pink wheel here. This is a 1999 Honda Civic. Got a P0175 and a P0131 check engine light codes. And both the common issue with both of those codes is the upstream oxygen sensor. So I'm going to try to be replacing that today. So if you're looking at this video, two things you probably want to know is, one, where is it? And two, how the heck do I get it off? Because those things are usually on tight because of all the heat and rust and whatnot. So on most models for this year, it is right up here. It's going to be the one closest to the engine. So it's usually right up here, but on the EX, it's underneath the car. And I'll show you that in just a sec. But tools, I don't have a torch. So that is what I've done is I've warmed the car up good, and I'm hoping that that will do it, but I don't know. I might have to go get some heat. I got some new tools here. These are for getting the clip for the oxygen sensor off. This kind of oxygen sensor I've always found is doesn't work. It just spreads too much and it never gets it off if it's any kind of tightness. So I got this new kind. There's a much smaller gap there for the wire, and I'm hoping that that will work, but we will see. So I'm underneath the car now, and so there's your oil pan. I know I got a leak. Not dealing with that today. So it's right before the catalytic converter, slightly on the driver's side. I've already soaked it with liquid wrench, but as you can see, there's a little bit of someone already tried to get it off and it was unsuccessful. So this might not be too much fun. We'll see. And then the clip is right up there. So yeah, let's go for That was much easier than I expected. I was expecting a real struggle there. So I think the key is, as you can see, this is pretty munged up. It's pretty messed up here. So I think the key was this tool here. It really gripped it well, and it didn't expand, because the other tool, if you got one, it's got to be really thick, and then this part, it will expand. So I think hammering it worked there. And then the other thing is, this tool, a lot of them I've seen are 3/8 inch. So, you know, there's my 3/8 inch breaker bar. But this one also had a 1/2 inch. So that is my breaker bar for the 1/2 inch. And it really got it off. And of course, soaking it and a little bit of heat. It wasn't, it's really cold today. It's like 25 degrees, so heating it up a little bit with having the car warmed up. But yeah, got it off. Cool.